Om Namaskar to everyone and very welcome to all of my friends in Panditji Smart Classes. The Indian Prime Minister's first state visit in America has led to the new milestone of cooperative relations between India and USA and paved the way for positioning its defense orbit. One of the remarkable success to attain jet engines technology shared by America and 30 elite armed drone considered to be given the nod is stuck adversely because of being opposed by the opposition party by alleging that deal is 4 times higher at around $3 billion than other countries are procuring. But the fact is that not a iota of deal is done in the paper so far. 3 types of drone are to be purchased by India. First, MQ-1, also called Predator, that is used for surveillance and attack. It has already been used in Iraq war. Second, MQ-9, that is also called Predator B. This is very fatal and very competitive drone which is responsible for assassinating the Iraqi general Qasim Soleimani. It can fly 24 hours and it is capable of touching to the 50,000 feet altitude. Third, MQ-9B seagaurdian, that will be providing the maritime security to India. These all 3 drones, remotely piloted aircraft, can be used for anti-terrorism operation, border security, maritime security and disaster management. Means that every domain can be covered by these all drones relating to Indian Army, Navy and Air Force. Our country's boundary is shared by enemy countries like China and Pakistan. They do have their own drone program. Needs to be countered by deploying fiercely such combative drone. For the sake of it, concerted push has been made on the defense acquisition. In that case, India will be included in the list of countries are operating Predator B like Italy, France, UK, Netherlands, Spain and Japan.